all, today we will see the logic gates, XNOR gate. So this is the symbolic representation of XNOR gate, XOR gate with bubble. This is two input XNOR gate. A and B is the input and Y is the output. And output Y will be A XNOR B. This is the XNOR representation. Dot with circle. And how this logic works, if we expand this A XNOR B, so this is similar as A bar dot B bar plus A dot B. So both are same. So we will see how this logic works in the truth table. Okay, so this is the input A and B and output is Y. Okay, so first we will talk about the number of combination, which is equal to 2 to the power n, which is, or n is the number of inputs, and number of inputs we can see there are two inputs, so 2 to the power 2 it will give 4. So number of combination will be 4, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and then 1 1. So now we will calculate the output. So output, we know output is equal to A bar B bar plus AB. Okay, so in the first case if we calculate the Y value, so Y is equal to A and B, both value are 0. So A bar B bar means 0 bar plus AB means 0 dot 0. So this will be 1. This one is also 1. So 1 dot 1 it will give 1, and this value is 0. So 1 plus 0, the overall value it will give 1. Okay. So first if both input are 0 0, then output will be 1. In the second case if you see A and B, A value is 0 and B value is 1. So A value is 0, B value is 1. A value is 0, B value is 1. So here we are calculating the bar value. So this will be just opposite, like 0 bar 1, 1 bar 0. Okay, so 1 dot 0 it will give 0. Here also this value will be 0. So 0 plus 0, overall value it will give 0. So in the second case we are getting Y value is 0. In the third case A value is 1, B value is 0. So in this XNOR gate logic, just keep the value of A and B, like A is 1, B is 0, A is 1, B is 0. This is bar. So 1 bar it will give 0, 0 bar it will give 1. So 0 into 1 it will give 0, and this one also 0. So 0 plus 0, overall value will be 0. In the fourth case both value are 1. So both value are 1, A and B value are 1, and here also 1. So these value 1 bar, this will give 0 0. So 0 dot 0 0 and 1 dot 1 1. So overall value will be 0 plus 1 1. So if we see the truth table, so we can clearly observe whenever the inputs are same, output it will produce 1, and whenever the inputs are different, in that case it will generate 0 output. So in the first and fourth case you can see both inputs are same, like A and B. In the first case both are 0 0, and in the fourth case both are 1 1. So in that case Y output it produced 1, and in the second and third case you can see A and B both are different. So in that case Y output we can see 0 0. Okay, so like that you can remember the XNOR gate logic. So this logic works like. Thank you.